Each day, huge amounts of freight have to be moved. The freight travels around the world, each wagon with its own destination. The shunting yard is an important logistical junction on this journey. When the train arrives, the dispatching system transmits the train's wagon order and assigns each wagon to the correct destination track. The cars are uncoupled according to the wagon order. A remote-controlled locomotive then pushes the wagons over the hump. Our real-time control system measures and analyzes relevant data such as speed, axle weight, and weather conditions to determine the running conditions of the wagons. The switches are automatically adjusted by Yard Lynx route to guide the wagons onto the correct track. The wagons are optimally braked by Yard Lynx brake according to their running conditions and target specifications. Different types of brakes are used. The arrival of the wagons at the destination track is reported to the logistics system. If required, the optional conveyor control system, Yard Lynx push, ensures that the wagons are ready for coupling. The operator monitors the automatic operation of the system on a monitor and can interfere manually if necessary. Special diagnostic functions enable the maintenance technician to identify maintenance requirements at an early stage. Diagnostic data can be transferred to the Equipment Cloud digital transformation solution and evaluated for preventive maintenance. Once the conveyor control system, Yard Lynx, has formed a new train, it continues on its journey. The Yard Lynx offers you a modular, adaptable, and scalable solution. With optimized throughput, Senelec certified safety, and long-term availability, you can now ensure the smooth and future-proof operation of your shunting yard.
Thank you.